Hello, how to simplify this nice math problem? 33 raised to power 66 divided by 66 raised to power 33. Solution. 33 raised to power 66 divided by 66 raised to power 33. Let's quickly solve this in two different ways. Let's call this first method. Then, with first method, 33 raised to power 66 can be written as 33 raised to power 66 is 33 plus 33 divided by 66 raised to power 33. If you have a raised to power n plus m, this is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. 33 raised to power 33 plus 33 can be written as 33 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 33 divided by 66 raised to power 33 equal to, this is 33 raised to power 33 divided by 66 raised to power 33 multiplied by this 33 raised to power 33. If you have a raised to power n over b raised to power n, this is equal to a over b to the power of n equal to 33 over 66 raised to power 33 because of the same power multiplied by 33 raised to power 33. 33 here 1, 33 here 2 equal to 1 over 2 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 33. Then this is the same thing as 1 over 2 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 33. And this is equal to 33 raised to power 33 over 2 raised to power 33. And this is equal to 33 over 2 to the power of 33. This is equal to 33 divided by 2, that is 16.5 over 33. This is the final answer. Then let's consider second method. We have the given equation 33 raised to power 66 divided by 66 raised to power 33. Then equal to 33 raised to power 66 over 66 can be written as 33 multiplied by 2 raised to power 33 equal to 33 raised to power 66 divided by, this is 33 raised to power 33 multiplied by 2 raised to power 33. That is, if you have a raised to power n multiplied by b raised to power n, this is equal to ab raised to power n. And here is 33 raised to power 66 over 33 raised to power 33 multiplied by 1 over 2 raised to power 33. So this is 33 raised to power 66 minus 33 multiplied by 1 over 2 raised to power 33. Then here is 33 raised to power 66 minus 33, that is 33 multiplied by 1 over 2 raised to power 33. Now if you multiply this by 1, we have 33 raised to power 33 over 2 raised to power 33. This is equal to 33 over 2 to the power of 33. Or this is equal to 33 divided by 2, that is 16.5 raised to power 33. This is the final answer. You can see that using the first method, we got 60.5 raised to power 33, and the second method, we also get the same answer, 60.5 raised to power 33. Thank you for watching.